Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into downtown Kingston. We are on Marcus Garvey Drive. As you can see, Marcus Garvey Drive, very nice road. It was upgraded recently. On the right is the Petrojam facility, which is the oil refinery for Jamaica. On the left is Wallingford. It's one of those coffee companies. Now this road has a lot, it's basically a manufacturing, how would you say, district. A lot of warehouses. The wharf is actually off this road, the largest wharf in Jamaica, largest port, where you have the Kingston Container Terminal. That's where all the goods for Kingston, or the majority of goods for Jamaica, come in. You have a lot of manufacturing plants that take in the raw material and manufacture, and they also export. But this road was recently upgraded, very nicely done. It's actually 6 lanes. Most of the roads that are renovated now are 4 lanes, but this one is 6 lanes. And as you can see, it has a concrete barricade, the lights, the white lines, good signage, stoplights to control the flow of traffic. Very nicely done. But there was one drawback or one oversight when this road was built. The drains are not big enough to handle the amount of water when it rains heavily. And it was said that, I don't know if it was an oversight, but at the end of the day, it was said that to put in the bigger drains would have costed more money. So basically, when it rains, this road floods sometimes, when it's heavy rain. Not all the time, but just when it's very heavy rain. And they had done an estimate to see how much it would cost to change the drains to the bigger drains, and it was like millions of US dollars. So I don't know if that's going to be done now. Alright, so on the left is Industrial Terrace. On the right is the Nutramix facility. I think that's part, well, no. And then on the left now you have like a free zone area. A lot of warehouses. Okay, Seprod has a facility on the left. I think Seprod owns Nutramix. Or no, or is Nutramix part of the government? Not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Okay, on the left here now is Nutrition Products. This is a government entity, Nutrition Products. And straight ahead you can see some of the buildings in downtown Kingston. The first building you're looking at there, that's the Digicel building. And then beside it, that's the office building. And then beside it is the Ocean Towers, and then beside that one is the ROK building. Now those are some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. Okay, so we're now going into the downtown area. On the right is a bus park. And sometimes you build excellent roads, you like Halfway Tree Transport Center, excellent facility. And sometimes you end up building these things and they turn into, I use the word epic failures, but some person said give them time. But nonetheless, that bus park never took off. It's not very popular. Persons complain about using it, basically because of where it was built. I mean, when you go up to Parade at any time of the day, it's so busy, and Parade is where a lot of the buses terminate, or the buses end their route basically. The Halfway Tree Transport Center, 250,000 people a day. It's a major transportation hub. So I think the government at the time was trying to, I don't know what they were trying to do, but nonetheless they built this bus park here, and you saw it for yourself when we were driving around, literally empty. And it's been like that for a very long time, practically from when it was built. Alright, so we're now on Harbour Street going into where we are in downtown Kingston now. And downtown Kingston, a lot of persons get a little confused. You have the city of Kingston and you have the parish of Kingston. Now, downtown Kingston is in the parish of Kingston. The parish of Kingston consists of downtown Kingston and Port Royal. Has a population of about 90,000 people. Now, the city of Kingston is much larger. It incorporates the parish of Kingston. It incorporates downtown Kingston, but it also, when you say the city of Kingston, incorporates parts of the parish of St. Andrew. So the parish of Kingston is downtown and Port Royal, but the city of Kingston, which is the largest city in Jamaica, has about 900,000 people. It has parts of downtown, it has parts of the parish of Kingston and parts of the parish of St. Andrew. The city of Kingston goes as far as 6 miles to the west, goes as far as Harbourview in the east, and as far north as Stony Hill. That's how big the city of Kingston is. So a lot of persons just say Kingston, and people sometimes get a little confused, because if you're in Halfway Tree, which is the capital of the parish of St. Andrew, you are also in the city of Kingston. And I think what happens is Kingston and St. Andrew, the both parishes, are run by the KSAC, the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation. So basically both parishes are run, the city of Kingston is run by the KSAC. And so most persons just think of the entire area, both parishes, as Kingston. If you ask somebody today, what's the capital of St. Andrew? I guarantee you, some people, not everybody is going to say Halfway Tree. Let's just put it that way. Alright, straight ahead is a straight ahead is a Grace Kennedy building. And Grace Kennedy is one of those conglomerates in Jamaica. They're in everything, and they're celebrating 100 years. They operate the Western Unions to food manufacturing to supermarkets to having their own bank, First Global Bank. On the right, I don't think you can see, but that parking lot on the right is for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building, sorry. Okay, we just passed over Gold Street, and when electricity first came to Jamaica, it was the electricity plant was on Gold Street, right here in downtown Kingston. And as you know, Kingston, the city of Kingston, is the capital of Jamaica. It's the largest city in Jamaica, and it's also the largest English-speaking city outside of the United States, in the Caribbean, in the Americas. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.